Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the freezer light switch in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a putty knife to depress the tabs to release the old light switch. Then disconnect the wires. Install the new light switch by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Then align and snap the new switch into the panel. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.